guys! Today's video will be different. It's not like what I normally do. It's not a cleaning video, but I'm very excited to make this video. I was tagged by Trisha from Lovetrisha channel. I will link her channel in the description box below if you guys want to check her out. She's really sweet and she does very satisfying cleaning video. If you are new here to my channel, hi, my name is Selle. I am a working mommy of one and a wife. I make videos about cleaning, organization, and mommy lifestyle. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If you are a returning subscriber, my family, or my friends, thank you so much for coming back and supporting me. I really do appreciate you. And enough said, let's get to this tag video and start the tag questions. At the end of this video, I'm also gonna be tagging a few fellow YouTubers. I'm gonna be maybe tagging maybe 4 people because I'm not sure if they're gonna see it or not. And I hope they'll do this video too because I think it's really fun. And yeah, let's get started. So the first question is favorite thing about winter. I like winter because I like wearing coats, I like cuddling, and to be practical, I am a mommy, I am a working mommy, so I'd say the cold weather is my favorite because it lowers my electricity. Hashtag mom life. Second question is scarves or beanies. As much as I love beanies, I can't wear anything on my head because I get a headache. So I'd say scarf. Plus, I get cold really fast, especially around my neck. So yeah, scarf is the way to go. Favorite holiday movie. I don't really have a favorite holiday movie in specific, but I just saw this movie in Netflix. They came out with a new one. It was the night before Christmas and I really like it. It's one of the best Christmas movie I've ever seen. So yeah, I'd say that one. So fourth question is favorite winter nail polish. My favorite winter nail polish is obviously pink. I like pink. I also like to do festive nail polish. I did it around Christmas, but it's past Christmas now, so I got a new one done. Favorite Starbucks holiday drink. I like the eggnog latte, but the one that I always get, I stick with what I like. I stick with my normal. It's hot mocha because I like chocolate, so get chocolate and a coffee at the same time. Win-win. Top 3 winter essentials. So my top 3 winter essentials are number 1, Vaseline. My lips always chop. It doesn't matter if it's summer, winter, or whatever. But around winter, that's when I get the most dry lips. So Vaseline is the way to go. And then obviously fuzzy sweater. I like fuzzy sweater around winter. It's one of my favorite to wear. And I'm ready here. I got props. Fuzzy socks. I love fuzzy socks. So those are my winter essentials. Name one item on your wish list this year. So my wish list for myself, I want to get myself a laptop because I don't have one. I haven't get it. I'm still saving up. So if I do, I will let you guys know. Favorite holiday song. My favorite holiday song is Let It Snow. I don't know, it's just I like that song. It's so catchy. Every time I hear it, it's like I can't stop singing it. Question number 9. Did or do you go Black Friday shopping? I did not. I have been working so much before before Thanksgiving and on Thanksgiving Day, so I didn't go Black Friday shopping. Few years back then I do, but not like I don't go to the line or like early in the morning. I go in the afternoon after everybody is calmed down with their craziness. But these past few years I haven't been going. I don't have energy to do it. I do online shopping though. It's not on Friday, but like normally I do it on Cyber Monday because I found that online prices are so much cheaper. I don't know if it's just me, but yeah, I do a lot of my shopping online now because, like I said, I am really busy at work. I don't really have time to go to the store a lot. So, yeah. Question number 10. Must have winter lip product. My must have winter lip product, like I already said, it's Vaseline. But if we're gonna be talking about lipstick, my favorite lipstick on winter is the MAC Ruby Woo. I think it's Ruby Woo or Ruby Roo. I don't remember really. I haven't wear in a long time, but if I will wear a winter lipstick, it will be that one because it's the most flattering red I've ever tried. It's the most drying as well, but it's really nice. It's like really nice put on. I wish I kind of like put it on, but I don't want my lips to be super chopped because it's already really dry. But that's my favorite one, the MAC Ruby Roo. I think it's Ruby Roo. Is it Ruby Roo? Let me know in the comment down below if it's Ruby Roo or if it's Ruby Woo because I don't remember. Question number 11. Will you be rocking an ugly Christmas sweater this year? Yes. Question number 12. Have you ever had a white Christmas where you live? No, I have not. I live in Las Vegas and it doesn't snow here. I wish it does because it's like the most magical thing. Last year it did snow after Christmas. It was like, I think it was January going February. We have snow here for like a day and then it was all gone, but it was the most magical thing ever. I kind of wish it will happen again this year. We'll see. Question number 13. Favorite winter candle scent? My favorite winter candle scent of all time is the Bath and Body Works Frosted Cranberries. That one smells delicious. It smells like Thanksgiving and Christmas and just holiday in general. So I love that one. Last question. How will you be celebrating this holiday? We celebrated Christmas in my sister's house and I think it was fun. So yeah, I celebrated it with my sister, my mom, and my family. We were there. So yeah. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I am so excited with this video. It's my first time making a tag video. So thank you, Trisha, for tagging me. I really appreciate it. And yeah, so thank you again. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If you want more videos like this, like me sitting just talking to the camera. I know I'm so awkward. I'm not used to this, but I'll try, and I'm kind of enjoying it because, like I said, it's different. But yeah, so thank you guys all so much. I'm gonna be tagging these ladies here, and I will see you guys again on my next video. I love you all. Bye bye.